we start. So you start by cutting the primary shapes, profiles, and whatnot. And then we move into welding. AWS certified, and all of our welders are AWS certified. We have an in-house CWI who goes through and provides visual weld inspections on 100% of the equipment that we provide. Tack out, we'll tack up the pieces, make sure everything's dimensionally verified, and then do full burn-in, full weld, and then do a pre-paint assembly. CDM's been forging the chain from the same foundry since 1984. Our chemistry microstructure, QA/QC checks as far as that's concerned, ultimate strength, depth of hardness, and hardness are second to none. All bores are machined, all pins are machined, and ensuring nice even loading and a nice uniform plane for the bearing surfaces to be in contact with. So the hardness, chemistry, and microstructure are what set us apart. We build our equipment for the application, and hopefully it'll provide them with a lot of longevity.